software security, software vulnerability testing, secure programming training. Why software security training? Did you know, millions of businesses are expending millions of dollars every year just for software security? Software security training will assist you with finding out about the software security assaults, for example, flood, malicious attacks, hacking, information just assaults or non-executable information assaults. Moreover, comprehend the significance of web security issues, malevolent sites, and forswearing of administration assaults. You additionally will find out about the main standards for secure structure, open plan, and hazard the board approaches in software plan. Learn software security, secure software improvement, and secure coding. Software security training from TONEX. By taking TONEX software security training, you will get familiar with the crucial standards of PC security, vulnerabilities, PC wrongdoings, dangers, and idea of web security. Course techniques. TONEX software security training remembers numerous for-class exercises, remembering hands for works out, contextual investigations and workshops. During the software security training, understudies get their own sample work and tasks, and through our instructing, build up their own security framework. Course designed for any people looking for software mastery, cybersecurity experts, security and strategy investigators, security brokers, financial specialists and contractual workers in cybersecurity field. Learning openings. Secure software development. PC security principles. Trusted computing infrastructure, TCI. Secure design principles. Measurable analysis. Representative execution. Infiltration testing. Cloud security. Data security and privacy, DAP. Remote network security. Mobile system security, MSS. Test workshops labs. Want to learn more? Request more information. Call TONEX at 1-972-665-9786 or visit tonex.com for software security training and workshop detail.